So here I have a 10-pound weight around my neck, shackled with a Master 175 padlock. I have a pair of Hyatt high security cuffs behind my back, which has triple rail and double locking feature. And on my feet, I have a set of Peerless handcuffs.
Oh, well,
Yeah,
well, David thought it would be a good idea to put a giant 300 bazillion pound weight around his neck and try to escape. And the weight almost ate David alive. That'd be a tragedy to drown in an 8-foot deep pool. So he was escaping from the ocean and there was a shark? Oh, no, it was a pool.
Just an 8-foot pool.
It was 8 feet.
He could have stood up, but he
didn't want to give away the trick. Oh, man.
So for my end, the Master 175 that was actually holding the weight on there, I was trying to get it, and I kept thinking, you know, just get this one lock, and it wouldn't go. And I still had handcuffs around my ankles. I'd gotten out of the ones around my wrist, and I couldn't get the Master 175 to let loose, probably because of the added weight that was hanging off of it. And so I freaked out a little bit, still had all that weight around my neck. I got a breath of air, and then I thought, I'll just swim to the edge, and I went back under, but I couldn't, the weight was pulling me down, 10-pound weight, and I didn't have my feet because they were shackled. So yeah, it was a little panic moment. Finally, Jory gave me the air, and I was able to breathe underwater until he got me to the edge using the tank.